The bullish pennant pattern is a short-term continuation pattern that occurs within an uptrend. It is formed by a sharp price rise, known as the flagpole, followed by a brief consolidation phase in the shape of a pennant. This pattern suggests a temporary pause before the uptrend resumes. Now, let's uncover the secrets of this pattern. Pay close attention to the flagpole, which represents a strong, decisive upward move. The pennant consolidation is characterized by converging trend lines, forming a triangular shape. This indicates a period of consolidation before a potential breakout to the upside. When trading the bullish pennant pattern, it's essential to follow certain do's and don'ts to maximize your trading success. First, wait for a confirmed breakout above the upper trend line of the pennant to enter a long position. This breakout acts as a signal for potential bullish continuation. Set a stop-loss order below the lower trend line of the pennant to manage risk and protect your position. By doing so, you limit potential losses if the price breaks below the pennant, indicating a potential invalidation of the pattern. Patience is key. Avoid entering trades prematurely before the breakout, as it increases the risk of false signals. Wait for proper confirmation. To trade the bullish pennant pattern effectively, look for a breakout above the upper trend line. Once the breakout occurs, consider entering a long position with a target price projection. Measure the height of the flagpole and add it to the breakout point to estimate a potential target. This projection provides a general idea of the price level the uptrend may reach. To enhance the accuracy of trading this pattern, consider additional factors. Look for supporting signals such as bullish candlestick patterns or positive news catalysts that align with the pattern's bullish bias. Confirming signals can strengthen the probability of a successful trade. Remember to practice and analyze historical charts to familiarize yourself with the bullish pennant pattern. Stay disciplined, manage your risk effectively, and constantly evaluate your trades to improve your trading skills. That concludes our exploration of the bullish pennant chart pattern. If you found this information valuable, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content.